I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Braille app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here. So then here you're looking for Braille app, just click on it here. Or just click on search, then here add Braille app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, you click here on first stop, click on OK here. So then you go down here, just you keep going down here, click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.